How to become an Airalo affiliate and start earning commissions promoting international eSIM data plans online. My name is Ricardo Pimenta, and in this video I will show you how to get started step by step. If you want to create your affiliate account right now, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and in the pinned comment. One of the easiest ways to promote travel connectivity services is through the affiliate platform Travel Payouts, where you can access the Airalo affiliate program. Again, if you want to start, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment. Airalo is a global platform that allows travelers to buy eSIM mobile data plans for more than 200 countries and regions. With an eSIM, travelers can access mobile internet without needing to buy a physical SIM card when arriving in a new country. After creating your account on Travel Payouts, log into your dashboard and search for the Airalo affiliate program. Apply to the program, and once approved, you will receive your affiliate links. You can promote these links on YouTube, websites and blogs, travel content pages, social media. Every time someone purchases an eSIM data plan through your affiliate link on Airalo, you can earn a commission. If you want to start promoting travel internet services and earning online, use the verified and secure sign-up link in the description and pinned comment to create your affiliate account. You can also learn more about travel affiliate platforms on my website, plataformadiaffiliados.com. And remember, the verified and secure registration link is in the description and pinned comment so you can start today.